Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about, yes, the Insta360 FLOW smartphone gimbal. So make sure that you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos about the Insta360 FLOW smartphone gimbal. First thing we're going to be talking about is how to do a time lapse with the Insta360 FLOW. I can't believe how amazing of a job this actually did. It was so good, it shocked me, and I have done time lapses on so many different cameras. Hands down, the FLOW has been the best gimbal that I have ever used to do a time lapse with before. So you've got the FLOW up and running, you're going into the Insta360 app, you're going to select time lapse. Once you've selected time lapse, you're going to see up in the middle of the screen the settings for the time lapse. You're going to press down, it's going to be on a fixed angle to start with. So a fixed angle, it's locked into position, it's not going to change. So that's going to be great if you just want to get that one position time lapse. You've got stuff coming towards you or going away from you, it would be ideal for that. Then you can set how long each shot will be taken. Half a second, 1 second, 3 seconds, all the way up to 60 seconds. All right, then you've got underneath that, you have the length. So you can choose even infinity until you press stop, all the way up to 5 hours of time lapse. So the next one is left to right. So it's going to pan left to right and do your time lapse. Once again, you choose what you want, how many seconds between shots and the length. The next one is right to left. Same again, choose the time of shots that you want and the length, and then just set it and go. All right. Or you have custom track. Now this has to be my favorite setting. You can choose the position of the FLOW where you want it to be, and you can hit a waypoint, change it. So you have 4 waypoints to choose for your time lapse. And the best part about this is that in this time lapse, every time you change it, you can actually zoom in and then hit your waypoint, and that's going to create the zoom in effect for your time lapse. So then once you've got all of your 4 waypoints, hit start. It's going to go through that movement straight away of where you want it to be. So it's going to go through exactly to every waypoint, zooms in or zooms out depending on if you've applied that or not, and then it's going to go back and start it. Here's one that I did down at the Gold Coast at the Spit. So this one down the Gold Coast, I had set for 10 minutes. I chose my waypoints and then I had a zoom in as well. And then I just set it and forget it. Came back in 10 minutes and it was done. And it also shoots it in 4K at 30 frames. So if you want to get great time lapses like that, the FLOW is a marvelous gimbal to be able to create epic time lapses like you just saw. I will leave links below if you want to pick yourself up an Insta360 FLOW. Click on that link. It supports this channel, helps me create wonderful videos just like this for you guys. There'll be links on everything else that I love to use. A link to my Amazon page where you can pick up great bargains over there. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Thank you very much for joining me today and letting me talk about the Insta360 FLOW. Until next time guys, this is Colin from Colin out.